Here we have our sheets. So you would have the kids come back together and we would talk about what it was. So the circle what happened first. So when you clicked on Rue, what happened first? Did he make a sound? Did he say something or did he move?
Moves.
He moves. Exactly. And then what happened after he moves?
He made a sound.
Perfect. And the last thing he did?
He said something.
Exactly. Excellent. Okay, so we have the slide deck set up with the circles so that you can show the kids their answers so they can check their answers as you go through. All right. So this was predict. And again, when the kids are working on these, that you want them to really think about predicting, figuring out what happens first, what happens next, what happens last in terms of the blocks. So they're getting more accustomed to what blocks do which actions. So what block made the first thing happen? Is it the glide, the say, or the play?
The glide.
The glide, exactly. And the next?
Was play sound.
Play sound. And the last thing he did was?
Say something.
Yeah, exactly. Great. Okay, so then it was our tinker time. So we like calling this tinker time. Tinker time so we could play around with the blocks and change things and modify the program so that we can see what happens. So when you change the glide, the moving glide block from 1 second to 3 seconds, did he move faster or slower?
Slower.
Slower. Was that what you predicted? And again, with this, you really want to, there's two, that's why there's the faster, slower is in 2 spots. So does Rue move faster or slower? That is the spot where the kids should be predicting before they actually run it and change the code. So they should be circling faster or slower in this spot in order to predict. And then once they change the code and run it, then they circle what actually happens so that they can compare what they predicted to what actually happens when they make the change. And then if you add another glide block to the end of Rue's script and change the X to 100, does Rue move or stay still?
He moves.
He moves, exactly, because you are changing the location, the X location of where he's at. Great. All right, so this is where you'd have a turn and talk where, again, you kind of want to really push them to do the prediction before actually making the changes. And I know a lot of kids will go straight ahead and make the change and then just put the answer in.